Introducing Forna Salami Cork. Available in half-inch thick planks are available as a floating floor installation. 5/16 of an inch and 1/4 of an inch thick floors come in a glue-down tile application. The ultimate environmentally friendly choice for your space. When you choose Salami Cork flooring, you're making a sustainable and eco-conscious decision that not only enhances the beauty of your home, but also offers incredible versatility. It's perfect for creating a comfortable yoga room thanks to its natural softness underfoot. Plus, it's water-resistant, making it an excellent choice for yachts where moisture resistance is crucial. In the kitchen, Salami Cork flooring provides a comfortable surface to stand on even during long cooking sessions. Ready to make a positive impact on the environment? Start by ordering free samples today. Join us in our commitment to preserving the planet with Salami Cork flooring.